What is up, guys? Maceo here, and today we're doing the unboxing of my Supernight LEDs right here. Let's get to it. And I would like to give a shout out to all my new subscribers while we're opening this. Going accordingly. Ow! Y'all see this? Look at this. Oh, look at the lights. Oh, look at the lights. Open these up. Guys, oh. They're so beautiful. Oh, look at them. Hey, I'm about to let me plug these in and set these up, and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. Can you see? Let's turn it on. Hold on, guys. Alright. Hey, guys, I'm back. I got my light set right here. Got the remote. Let's go try them out. Let me turn off the light first. Orange. It's got multiple colors over here, guys. I like this blue, though. Colors. Here we got all these different colors. Then we got the fading. Got flash. Got fade 7. Got fade 3. Jump. And then jump 3. Then we just can leave them. I like this though. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. See you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, just want to show you the final product. The final product right here. Hope everyone's having a nice day. Peace. See y'all later. Adios.